1974 Porsche 91420. Price, $7,950. Location, Washington. The 1974 Porsche 914.0 is a true representation of classic European sports car engineering, combining simplicity, balance, and a unique mid-engine layout that still excites enthusiasts today. Finished in its original Alaska blue metallic, this car stands out with a subtle yet striking appearance that perfectly matches its low and wide stance. It's a design that feels both vintage and timeless at the same time. The driving experience is where this car truly shines. Powered by a 2.0-liter flat-four engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the 914 delivers a raw and engaging feel on the road. The mid-engine configuration provides excellent weight distribution, allowing for sharp handling and impressive cornering ability. It's not about speed alone, it's about connection between the driver and the machine. The exterior features give this Porsche its unmistakable character. Pop-up headlights, black impact bumpers, chrome accents, and 15-inch wheels all contribute to its classic identity. One of the highlights is the removable Targa roof, which allows you to transform the car into an open-air cruiser in seconds, making every drive more enjoyable and immersive. Inside the cabin, the focus remains on the driver. The interior is simple but purposeful, equipped with VDO gauges, a Blaupunkt radio, bucket seats, and a clean dashboard layout. Every element is designed to enhance the driving experience without unnecessary distractions, staying true to Porsche's philosophy during that era. This particular example is offered as a project car and is currently not running, which opens up a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. With its desirable 2.0 engine, original factory color, and classic mid-engine design, it holds strong potential to become a valuable and rewarding classic once restored. For anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history, this Porsche 914 could be the perfect starting point.